In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to your HubSpot account. This tutorial, designed to be completed in about 5 minutes, will guide you step by step through the process, ensuring you can easily manage your team and their access to your HubSpot resources. Whether you're a seasoned HubSpot user or just starting out, these instructions will help you efficiently expand your team's access without any hiccups. Let's begin by heading over to the HubSpot homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in hubspot.com. This is where everything related to your HubSpot account management begins. Once there, you should see the login option located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the gateway of all your HubSpot tools and resources. Upon logging in, you'll arrive at the HubSpot home. This is essentially your dashboard where you can access various tools offered by HubSpot. From this main page, you need to focus your attention on the settings icon. Usually you'll find this by looking for a gear or cog symbol. Clicking on settings is a crucial step because it contains all the configurations needed to tailor your HubSpot experience. Once inside the settings menu, you'll want to look for the option labeled users and teams. By clicking on this option, you open the door to managing who has access to your HubSpot account. It's like your control panel for adding, removing, or editing the users who are part of your digital workspace. Navigating to this part of the settings is key to handling permissions and assignments efficiently. Now let's get to the core of this tutorial, creating a user. Still within the users and teams area, you should see an option to create user. Clicking this button initiates the process of adding a new team member. Here you will generally input the email addresses of the individuals you wish to invite as users. A tip here, make sure you have the correct email addresses on hand before you start this process. Accurate emails ensure that your team members receive their invitations swiftly and can start engaging with your HubSpot resources immediately. After entering the necessary information, make sure you review any additional settings or permissions to tailor the user's access according to your organizational requirements. In conclusion, adding users to your HubSpot account is a straightforward process that enhances collaboration. From logging in and managing settings to creating new users, each step brings you closer to a more integrated and proficient team environment on HubSpot. I hope this guide makes the process easy and seamlessly expands your team's ability to contribute effectively. Thanks for watching and happy managing.